I just think it's wrong to, start taking liberties with one of our founding documents.
Are historical documents being rewritten in school textbooks? A small error in a fifth grade history book is causing a big controversy for one Odessa parent.
CBS 7's Eddie Garcia joins us now live in the newsroom with the story and explains why this father believes the publisher is trying to revise the Declaration of Independence. Eddie?
Tatum, the controversy centers on just one word, but this has gotten the attention of key members of the Texas State Board of Education who now say they're going after the publisher.
123.
Local watchdog leader Jason Moore realized there was a problem when his son's assignment was to memorize the preamble from his fifth grade textbook.
We started reciting, "We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all people are created equal." I said, no, it's men. All men are created equal.
The publisher, Teachers Curriculum Institute, acknowledges the error in the front of the book, but says, quote, "The authentic version of paragraph 2 in the Declaration of Independence containing the word men rather than people appears in the appendix and the rest of the text," end quote. But that's not good enough for Moore.
Teaching and expanding on it in class, saying, okay, back then, men meant mankind as a whole, that's one thing. But getting kids to memorize the text differently than as it's written is wrong.
He's already contacted the Texas State Board of Education to take action against the publisher.
Anything contained in that book that is factually incorrect is a factual error and subject to fine and penalties.
That's a claim backed up by a member of the board.
This is a change of a document, so I think this is a pretty serious error. I hope that the fine will be very high. That will be what I'm going to recommend the board support.
The publisher has made apparent changes already, saying, quote, "The new version does not use the page with the altered text anymore," end quote.
Taking words out and substituting, I think, is a dangerous, slippery slope, as the saying goes, into education about American history.
ECISD spokesman Mike Atkins tells me he believes the new version could be in schools within the next 4 years. Live with your eye on education, Eddie Garcia, CBS 7 News.